Yo, what's goody, man? It's 360 Mils in the building. Y'all already know what it is. Coming back at you with another product. Oh yeah, let's get it. Creme of Nature Argan Oil, curl and hold custard. So first off the back, I already tried this. It's an amazing product. First, this product instantly absorbs into your waves and hair without leaving any oily residue. Any oily residue. Do you believe that? On top of that, it gives you a feel, a silky feel. It's a natural creme from argan oil curls and hold custard. Especially good for curly hair and coarse hair. I'll say, that's what I would say, right? Frizz leaving your waves. It reduces frizz, leaving your waves looking silky, slickety smooth. And you also can use Creme of Nature's curl and hold custard with either wet or dry hair. I recommend dry if you have more like a softest or straight hair, or a medium hair even. But if you have like a curly hair or a coarse hair, I recommend you put a wet towel, a hot wet towel, before you apply the Creme of Nature's argan oil, because it will make a difference. It's like putting on freaking jelly on dry hair. You're gonna end up getting so much flakes, and your hair will be so stiff, and I mean, it's just gonna be disgusting. So you wanna apply this the correct way, right? Now, let's go and apply the Creme of Nature curl and hold custard with a hot towel method, and we're gonna get into a brush session. Let's get it. Yeah, so we came back in the bathroom. Let's get this brush session on with the Creme of Nature's argan oil. Let's get it. Oops. Oh, it's like Jello. It's really like Jello. Take about this much, because my hair is pretty long. I've been woofing for probably about good 4 to like 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Put it right here. And mind you, my hair is not wet. My hair is dry right now. But like I said, if you have a straight to soft to mediumish, like a curlish hair texture, you really don't need water. So let's go apply this. Now that we're done applying this, we could get into the brush session. So today, I'm using a hard brush, Diane hard brush, curved, right? And then after I'm done with that, I'm switching over to the soft, straight brush. Pretty sure you haven't seen this before. Pardon me, it's a little hot in this house. They've been giving too much. Sorry, my flash just cut off, so let's get into it. Hold on, gotta grab my mirror real quick. Right? You know we gotta grab that. So as you can see, the hard brush is laying the area down. That's what it's meant for. Right. Once you feel like the Creme of Nature's Argan Oil curl hold custard, it's already drying off, then you wanna go ahead and switch off to the soft brush so it can finish drying off that bit of moisture and custard gel-like moisturizer into your pores and into your hair follicles to massage your cuticles, your hair cuticles. Right? Damn, it's hot. So like I said, let's go. And now let's move on to the soft brush. Softy, where are you? Oops, back here. Soft brush. Now we need the mirror. But I mean, look at so far. Oh my God. Just looking, I'm feeling it. I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. I really am. Look at it so far. Yeah. That moisture. That curl, that custard, it just holds. It just holds so nice and it feels so light. No oil residue, no nothing. Just mostly shine and a little bit of hold. They put into that custard. Right? So I will come at you guys with the results on the next video. For right now, I will be ragging up, and I hope y'all like the review so far. I'll be giving y'all the results later, man. Stick around. I'm ready to rag up. So you already know. Grab your do-rag, lay it over your head. Right? Grab your dome cap. That's what you need. Do-rag. And dome cap, for sure. Get these anywhere. Beauty shops, 99-cent store. It really doesn't matter. You can find it anywhere. Let's wrap this bad boy up now. Let's wrap it up. You know what I'm saying? Like birthday parties. Your mom told you. Wrap that up. Alright. Put in that dome cap. So it's nice and tucked down. Hard to get a good compression sometimes with this. Boom. Boom. Come around so you can see the back. Boom. Back around. Strip it up real nice and perfect. Let's turn this one to give it a little bit more flavor. Boom. Make sure that's tucked behind the ear. And then we're good. Right here, you want to pull down on your dome cap to make sure you got that compression. You want to finish your timing. Bada boom. Bada bam. 360 mils out of this building, man. Like and subscribe. You already know. Keep it 100. Keep it 100.